guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Cora. So for today's video, we are going to be doing yet again another closet clean out. Now, if you watch my videos, you might be like, Cora, you literally just did an extreme closet clean out a couple of videos ago. Well, what I'm going to say to you is that that's true, but this isn't going to be your normal closet clean out because I already did the cleaning out of the closet part. But now that I've done my closet clean out, I have a ton of clothes to donate and to sell. So in today's video, I'm going to be going through all my clothes that I took out of my closet and sorting it into piles of either donate or sell. And I'm also going to be showing you guys how I sell my clothes, how I list them, how I ship them, things like that. So yeah, I'm super excited for today's video. It's going to be a lot of fun and I'm so excited to be able to donate and sell to you guys. So if you do want to buy any of my clothing pieces, I do have an Instagram account where I sell my clothes. It's at Cora's Clothing Co. and I haven't posted on there in a while, I know, but this is why, because I wanted to do this video. I have Lululemon, North Face, Nike, Vineyard Vines, New Balance, a ton of brands that are like really nice. But anyways, let's just get started with today's video. Okay, so all the clothes over here in this pile, all the clothes that I'm looking to donate to most likely Goodwill because that's the thrift store that's closest to my house. And then over here in these 4 bins are all the clothes that I'm looking to sell. Like I told you guys, I have a ton of cute brands and we even have stuff with tags on it that is brand new. So self promo, make sure to go follow my clothing account because all these pieces will be up there eventually. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing for the first part of this video is going through all the clothes that you see behind me right here, and I'm going to be taking pictures of all the pieces to put on my clothing account. So I'm going to have to try on like all of these pieces for this video, which is a lot. So this video might be multiple days long because like I just said, it's going to take a while. In order to make this process go a lot faster, what I'm going to be doing is separating all these clothes into piles, tops, bottoms, and shoes. Let's just get started with that because it is going to take a while because like I said, I have a lot of clothes. All of these items are tops. All of these items are sweatshirts, hoodies, and jackets, so aka tops again. All of these items right here are bottoms. All of the items right here in this bin are dresses and swimsuits. And that is pretty much it. I've organized everything. So now it is time to get started and take some pictures. But first I want to make a cute setup. So I think I'm going to put up a white sheet against my closet and then take the pictures over here. So let's get started setting it up. Are you fucking serious? Successful. I can't wait for it to fall in 2 seconds. I'm literally sweating from just putting that sheet up right now. But at least I got it done because it kept falling and I was annoyed, but I got it done. So what I'm going to be doing is taking pictures of all the tops that I have behind this first. And what I'm going to do is just do 3 basic poses to make it go by a lot faster. And I'm going to be taking these photos on my iPhone. I think it's a lot easier to take them on my iPhone than to take them on here. Okay, so this bin and that bin over there are all the tops that I need to be shooting. And then right here I have the setup for the pictures and I already have the camera set on square mode because as you know, Instagram's photos are square unless you set them differently. So here's the setup and let's get to taking some photos. It's 200 degrees in here. I'm literally sweating so bad because my parents refuse to turn on the AC. Oh my god, that was so much sugar. Look how much sugar is on the bottom of that. And it's so bad for you, so I'm gonna proceed to drink it. So good. What's up you guys? So it is actually the next day and I never finished filming this video. So the last thing that I filmed yesterday was me taking pictures of all the clothing. Surprise, surprise, none of the pictures turned out. So we basically have to start from scratch, but the good thing is that all the clothes are still organized. The reason none of the pictures turned out is because the lighting in my room is honestly just not great. So what we're gonna be doing today is basically taking all the pictures. Hopefully they turn out this time. I'm probably going to check to make sure that they work before I take pictures of 20 20 pieces of clothing and then none of them turn out. The game plan for today is that I'm going to set up a white sheet like I did yesterday, but in my living room because that has a lot better lighting. Okay, I'm out here in my living room, and as you can see, I set up this sheet. It looks so bad, but we're just gonna ignore that because you won't be able to see it in the picture. So I have my little setup right here. This is where I'm gonna be taking the pictures. You can't see anything but the white sheet in the picture, which is exactly what I wanted. I think this is gonna be a lot better because the lighting's a lot better. I'll update you guys in a little bit. Okay, so I have like half of my clothes down here. This is so many clothes, I don't even know. I don't want to do this, but this is such a waste. Like, I don't wear any of this stuff. This is gonna be a lot of work. Let's just get started. Like I said like 800 times in this video. Dunkin' break. Let me just say that this is the cutest champion sweatshirt I have ever seen in my entire life, and if someone doesn't snatch this, I'm gonna be pissed. Go shop Cora's Clothing Co. because it is the cutest thing. How can you just not love that? You know what I mean? Woo! Okay, that is it. I just finished all my sweatshirts. I am sweating immensely. But I think I'm gonna take a break and edit a few photos and then we'll get into the shirt. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you guys how I edit all of the photos real quick. If you were wondering, you know, this is how I edit my real Instagram photos too. So all I do is I go into the app Lightroom. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna import all of the photos from my camera roll into Lightroom, and how I'm gonna do this is hit select mode, and then I'm just gonna select every single photo that I took. So this is the first photo that I took, and I'm just gonna go to presets and pick one of the presets. I have a lot of presets, so I can just kind of pick whichever one I think looks best. I think this one looks pretty good, but obviously I'm gonna go ahead and go into color and change the color because you can't even see that the sweatshirt is yellow, so I have to make sure that you can see that. And basically I'm just gonna mess around with all of the colors just to get the look that I want. So this is the final product of the picture. Here is the before and here's the after. I always do post the unedited version and then also post the edited, so I'm going to go in and do that for all the photos. What's up? It has been a little bit and I just edited all the photos. So now we're gonna take pictures of all the tops. This is the first one. It's just a basic black crop top. Let's just get started with taking some more pictures. I just took the last picture of the last shirt, but I still have a lot more pictures to take. It's only 3:30 right now, so I still want to take pictures of the bottoms that I have, and I also have dresses and things like that. We're gonna go upstairs, check how many more items I have up there, and then bring them down here and get started with more pictures. Right now I have on some Lululemon black leggings, but yeah, some of the pants don't fit me, so I'm going to need to take pictures of them off of me. I'm not gonna take some videos of me doing this because it's really not that interesting, but just know I'm out here grinding, taking pics, I'm sweating. I've just finished taking pictures of all the pants that fit me and the dresses, but there is a few that don't fit me, so I have to take pictures of them on the ground. I'm gonna lay them on the sheet, so I'm gonna take the sheet down. But before I do that, I want to take pictures of my shoes against the white sheet. I'm literally out of breath from talking. Okay, real quick before I take this sheet down and take a few pictures, I wanted to show you guys some of the items that I'm going to be selling because I never really showed you in depth anything. So I'm just going to show you guys a few of my favorite pieces that I'll be selling. So first we have this Lululemon workout tank. Such a good basic for the gym. And then we also have another Lululemon piece. It's these black leggings. They're full length and they're kind of in between like an Align and athletic style. And then I also have these brand new Nike shorts. These are high-waisted, which is always super nice. I love high-waisted stuff. And then I do have a ton of shoes that I'm selling as well. So this is one of the pairs. It's just these gray New Balance, super basic, but also really, really cute. And then one of my favorite items that I'm so excited about is this Champion sweatshirt. And yeah, those are just a few pieces that I'm going to be selling. Like I said, I have a few more pictures to take, so that is what I'm going to be doing now. But after that, basically all I have to do is edit the pictures and then list them on my account. I'm just gonna show you guys how I list them. So what I'm gonna do is go on my clothing account. All I have to do is go to like the upload button like anyone would do if they were uploading a picture. So one of the pieces I'm selling is this Champion sweatshirt. First I post the edited version, and then the second picture I'm gonna be posting is the unedited version, and then I'm just going to press next. And then what I do for the caption is I just basically explain what it is. So for this I'm just gonna say pastel logo Champion hoodie, and then I put the size, and then below that I put the starting bid, and then lastly I'll put the bin at the bottom. If you don't know what bin stands for, it stands for buy it now. So that's if you don't want to bid, you want to buy the item right now, and that is basically it. And then I'm going to list the item. Now I'm just going to start drafting all the items, and then once I list them I will let you guys know, and then I'll show you guys how I package and ship the items. This is what it looks like after taking pictures of all these clothes and filming. This is a huge disaster that I have to clean up right now. Clearly my cat likes it though. What's up you guys? So it has been a full week since the last time I filmed, and I have actually posted 2 drops of clothing. The bidding for my second drop of clothing actually just ended. I always leave my bids up for 24 hours. Right now I have to go through and DM all the people that won the pieces of clothing, and hopefully they can send me their address and Venmo me within like the next hour so that I can ship out their items. Basically all I've left to do in this video is I wanted to show you guys how I package up the items, how I ship the items, the entire process of me selling all the clothes that were in my closet from my closet cleanout. So I'm going to go ahead and DM all the people who won the piece of clothing. Okay, I have finished messaging every single person that has bought an item from me. There are a few people that live in my hometown, so I know that I will not have to ship the item to them because I usually try to work out a drop-off or a pickup time so that they don't have to pay for shipping. Now I have to find all the items in my huge pile of items over there so I can package them up, write the address on them, and send them out. Let's get started. So I have to find a graphic t-shirt, romper, tube top, long sleeve, Nike windbreaker, striped tank, white suit, pantsuit, keyhole crop, blue line tank, accent shirt, tank, and crochet lime green tank. Okay, I have all the items right here in front of me that I need to package up and ship. But yeah, I have a ton of packaging downstairs, so let's just get to it. Okay, I just got back from downstairs where I keep all my packaging stuff. I have some plaid ones, I have some polka dot ones, and then we also have these smaller pineapple ones. So I just got all of these off Amazon. They're a little different in size, as you can see. So I just use whatever one works for the piece of clothing. Let's just get into packaging these items. Okay, now that I have all my items over here that I'm going to be shipping out today, I'm going to be putting a little cute note inside all of them. I like to do this just with sticky notes because I think it makes it a little more personalized. So I'm just going to be writing some notes. So I just finished writing all of the personalized notes to the people. Here they are right here. My handwriting's horrible, and now I just have to place them in the packages. And then after I'm done with that, I'm just going to be writing the addresses on the packages, and then we going to ship them out to you guys if you ordered clothes. Thank you guys so much if you did buy some items. If you've never even been on my clothing page, definitely go check it out. You will not regret it. Let's get to it. As you can see, I finished packaging up all of the items. Now it is time to head over to the post office and Goodwill, and we'll be all done. Okay, I'm off to the post office. That is my first stop, and then after that we are going to head over to Goodwill because that is right on the way. It's really convenient because I live like 5 minutes from the post office, and then Goodwill is only like a minute or 2 away from the post office, or actually the UPS store. I don't know why I keep saying the post office. Okay, I just got to the UPS store, so I'm getting my mask on so that I can go inside. Look how cute this one is. I think my mom got it for me off Etsy. We have a lot of packages. I'm gonna go in. This is probably gonna take like 30 minutes. Oh my god, this line is astronomical.
Ladies and gentlemen, the volume inside of this bus is astronomical.
Are we serious? It's a Monday. Hi.
Hello. Can I get the camera?
Yeah, you can. I have a vlog channel. Thank you. Have a nice day. Oh my god, that was literally so cute. I loved it. He's like, oh my god, can I get in the camera? I was like, duh. I thought like he was gonna be like, what are you doing? Why are you filming this? And low-key, he was like, let me get on that. That was actually really funny. I enjoyed that. So, okay, now that I've showed you guys the entire process of selling my clothes, taking the pictures, posting, DMing, selling, shipping out, all of that, and then also donating clothes to Goodwill as well, that is going to be it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. It was kind of an add-on to my closet clean out. I will have that link down below so you guys can go watch. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to. Other than that, I hope you guys are staying safe. Okay, that is it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!